We all know Firefox once dominated the browser market, holding over 30% of the global market share. But today, it has fallen to under 3%, while Chrome has surged to nearly 70%. This decline seems paradoxical as Firefox is open source, it's non-profit and offers the best privacy features. Yet it continues to shrink. Is Google's monopoly inevitable? Is Firefox doomed to fade into anonymity? Let's find out. To understand why Firefox declined, let's go back to its origins. Launched in 2004, it was a revolutionary alternative to Microsoft's Internet Explorer, which was notorious for being slow, insecure, and monopolistic. Firefox gave users a choice, and by 2009, it had captured a significant market share. Despite this, Firefox growth began to stall. Meanwhile, Google Chrome, introduced in 2008, aggressively captured the market, overtaking Firefox by 2011 and Internet Explorer by 2012. Chrome's rise wasn't just about speed and performance. It was backed by Google's extensive resources, marketing, and deep integration into its ecosystem. Compounding the problem, Firefox faced performance issues. While it championed privacy, it struggled with speed and efficiency compared to Chrome. Additionally, many websites optimized their features for Chromium, often causing compatibility issues with Firefox. But this wasn't just about competition. Google actively shaped the internet to benefit Chrome while making alternatives like Firefox less appealing. Firefox's primary edge lies in its commitment to privacy. Unlike Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, which collects vast amount of user data, Firefox operates under Mozilla Foundation, a non-profit dedicated to protecting user privacy. Some of Firefox's standout features include enhanced tracking protection, which blocks many non-trackers and fingerprinting scripts. Total cookie protection, which prevents cross-site tracking. Open source transparency, users can inspect and verify browsers code unlike Chrome. And blocking crypto mining scripts, which ensures better security and performance. Mozilla has also been making significant performance improvements. In October 2024, Firefox became 75 times faster at handling WebAssembly, improving the performance of complex web applications. Despite these advantages, Firefox has struggled to regain its foothold. Why? Because Google controls the web infrastructure. The dominance of Chromium, Google's open source browser project, has reshaped web standards. Nearly all major browsers, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, Microsoft Edge, are built on Chromium. This means developers optimize websites for Chromium's engine, often leaving Firefox with compatibility issues. Google has also engaged in anti-competitive tactics, such as favoring its own ecosystem. If you see, Google Docs, YouTube, and Google Meet perform better on Chrome than on Firefox. Phasing out ad blockers with Manifest v3. A change in Chrome's extension system that limits how ad blockers function. Influencing browser defaults. Google pays billions to be the default search engine on Safari and Firefox, making it difficult for competitors to thrive independently. But there's a shift happening. With Manifest v3 disrupting ad blockers and Google's increasing control over user experience, privacy-conscious users are reconsidering their browser choices. Firefox, as one of the last non-Chromium browser, is regaining attention as a true alternative. If you value your privacy and want to break free from Google's control over the web, Firefox still remains one of the best choices. The casual majority may continue using Chrome, but those who prioritize security and transparency should consider switching. And here's what you can do. Download Firefox and test it as your primary browser. Even if you don't fully switch, trying it for a week will help you experience its benefits firsthand. Support independent browsers. Share Firefox with friends and family and spread awareness of how Google's monopoly affects the web. More users mean better support and long-term survival. Customize Firefox for best experience. Install privacy-focused extensions like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, and HTTPS Everywhere. You can also tweak settings like resist fingerprinting and enhance tracking protection to maximize security. Make Firefox faster. Some users abandon Firefox due to speed concerns. But do you know you can improve its performance with simple tweaks like enabling hardware acceleration and optimizing settings in About config. Use alternative search engines. Google funds Firefox, but relying less on Google's ecosystem is another step towards web independence. Try search engines like DuckDuckGo, Brave Search, or Startpage for better privacy. Advocate for more open web. The internet should be built on competition, not corporate control. And how you can do that? Demanding better web standards by supporting organizations like the Mozilla Foundation and the Electronic Frontier Foundation, also known as EFF, which fights for our digital rights. Last but not the least, keep up with the browser developments. Firefox is constantly evolving. Features like built-in VPN, total cookie protection, and enhanced fingerprinting resistance are just the beginning. If Firefox disappears, what do you think will be the next best alternative to Chrome? Let me know your thoughts in the comment, and don't forget to check out this video where I've explained how private browsing is still stealing your data. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay secure, and take care.